Hi guys, it's a new video about the TikTok application. Right now I will show you how to customize your home screen with the TikTok widgets. Did you know that the TikTok application has its own customized and personalized widgets, and right now I will show you how to activate them. So guys, first and foremost I want to go to the TikTok application and tap on the inbox section to get the very detailed 3 steps instruction. Let's tap on the plus widget icon at the top, and here we have the whole instruction. Let's tap on the done to save, to confirm this instruction, and let's go to the home screen because right now I will show you how to add these widgets. So let's hold on our home screen guys and tap on the plus icon at the top. Here we have a lot of different apps widgets, and you definitely need to find the TikTok option here. If you don't have this feature, you can tap on the search widgets option and set TikTok. Let's click on the TikTok, and here guys we have the menu of all of the possible widgets you can activate. For example, the story. After tapping on this button, you will open the TikTok and create a story. And this is our TikTok rewards. This is the trending on TikTok, but I'm very interested in this search widget. Let's tap on it to add this widget, and also don't forget that after dragging this widget to the needful site you will relocate the widget, and let's tap on the done to save changes. So it's very cool because here we have 4 different options to go to the search. After clicking on the search bar, to go to the following feed. After clicking on the following, as you can check post, create post, and also inbox to go to the inbox and chat with your friends. It's very cool because if you like the TikTok, it's very easy to navigate on it. And guys, to disable this widget, let's tap on it and hold it on, clicking on the remove widget. Remove. I hope guys that this tutorial was very interesting, and I hope that on our channel you will find a lot of different tricks about TikTok apps and other programs. So goodbye guys, good luck!